Hi, my name is Alyssa, and I'm your math and science tutor. Today, I'm going to show you how to square any two-digit number faster than a calculator. Now, before getting started, if you've watched my other videos, such as how to multiply 11s faster than a calculator, or how to square a two-digit number ending in 5 faster than a calculator, you would see that those methods are really fast, and you can catch on to them quickly, and you don't have to practice much at all to be extremely fast and efficient. That is not the case with this trick. However, with practice, you can become as fast or close to as fast, but it's going to take some time and it's going to take some practice. But that being said, let's get started. These problems have quite a few steps, so I am going to take it slow at first and then go faster later. So we'll start with 12 times 12. The first thing you need to do is round one of the numbers to the nearest 10. So in this case, we're going to round 12 down to 10. And because we subtracted 2 to get to 10 here, we're going to add 2 to this 12. So this 12 is going to become a 14. Now we're going to multiply. 10 times 14 is 140. Then our last step is to add our 2 squared to our answer. So 2 squared is 4. So 140 plus 4 will equal 144. And that's our answer. Let's try 17 times 17. The nearest 10 is going to be 20. So to go from 17 to 20, we need to add 3. Since we're adding 3 up here, we're going to subtract 3 down here. Okay? And 17 minus 3 equals 14. Well, what's 14 times 20? 14 times 10 is 140, so we'll just double it. 140 times 2 is 280. Okay, and then our last step is to add our 3 squared to the end. 3 squared is 9, so this is going to equal 289. What about something harder like 72 times 72? We're going to round this down to 70. And to get from 72 to 70, we are subtracting 2. So that means we need to add 2 down here. And we get 74. Now we need to multiply. And 70 times 74 seems really daunting at first. However, we can use some of the previous methods that I've talked about in other videos to make this easy. Essentially, 74 times 70 is the same as 74 times 7. We're just going to need to remember to add this 0 on the end of our answer. And we can break this down into 70 plus 4 times 7. Well, 7 times 7 is 49, and we have a 0 at the end of our 70, so we'll add that there, and 7 times 4 is 28. Now we just need to add 490 plus 28, which is equal to 518. Okay, and now we need to remember to add that 0 to the end. So our answer is going to be 5,180, but we have one more step, and that's to add that 2 squared onto the end. 5180 plus 2 squared will be 5184. And that's our final answer. Okay, and what about 89 times 89? Well, we can round 89 to 90. And what we're doing here is adding 1, so that means we're going to subtract 1 down there, which means we'll have 88 to multiply with 90. Again, we're going to use the same steps. 88 times 90 is pretty much the same as 88 times 9. Again, we just have to remember the 0 at the end. We're going to break this into 80 plus 8, and then multiply that by 9. First, we'll multiply the 80 times 9. 8 times 9 is 72, and we have a 0 that we need to add on, plus 72. 720 plus 72 is going to be 792. And again, we can't forget about this 0. We'll add that on the end. And now we need to add 1 squared to this. 1 squared is just 1, so our final answer is 7921. Before I end this video, I just want to mention that it is incredibly important to practice this, because if you don't practice, you won't get fast. But if you can practice and repeat these problems and try other problems, have other people quiz you, you will eventually get as fast or faster than a calculator. If you want to see more videos like this where I teach you how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide faster than a calculator, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.